Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you use Wix to make a portfolio? So, it's going to be really simple and bear with me. So, Wix, as you all know, is a popular website builder that provides an intuitive drag and drop interface for creating websites. So, it's certainly useful for building portfolios because it's flexible and ease of use, and basically variety of templates designed specifically for showcasing work. So basically a user-friendly interface, drag and drop functionality makes it easy to design without coding knowledge, customized templates, wide range and templates suited for portfolios, vlogs, business suits, responsive designs, templates, basically, that are designed to be basically mobile friendly. Built-in tools like SEO tools, analytics, and social media integrators. So, in setting up your Wix account, just go to wix.com and click on sign up. You can register using your email or Google or even a Facebook account. So, log in if you're ready. Once you have an account, simply log into your credentials. So, that's basically it. So, as you create and publish site with Wix branding and Wix subdomain, offer basically premium plus plans, offers additional features like custom domains, more usage, and advanced functionalities. You can explore Wix's pricing plans to find the one that fits your needs. And just go ahead and browse templates. Go to the templates page to select portfolio and CV to design tailored portfolios. Use filters in preview, narrow down options basically based on style, layouts, and industry. Preview basically. So, preview templates to see how they look in action. And yeah, so Wix editor previews. Once you select a template, click basically enter the Wix editors here, and you could drag on and drop elements, edit text, and basically just customize things like images. And the layout, adjust the layout of your pages, including headers, footers, and basically sidebars. So colors and fonts, very important. So customize the color scheme and fonts to align your personal or brand style. Use the design tab to make these changes. Image and media, uploading your image to Wix's free media library. Ensure that the visuals you choose are high quality and relevant to your work. Now, creating essential pages. So, introducing basically craft a compelling introduction that highlights who you are and what to do. This could be a brief bio tagline. So, portfolios featuring a feature of your best projects of the homepage to grab visitors. So, especially in homepage introduction, crafting a compelling introduction that highlights who you are and what you do. This could be a brief bio or a tagline. So, portfolio highlights a feature of your best projects and homepage to grab visitors' attentions. So, that's just basically it. So, project organization, decide how you want to categorize your projects by type, industry, or medium. use Wix's gallery or portfolios apps to display your work. So for each included detailed descriptions, images, and any relevant information such as project goals, your roles, and outcomes. So personal background, share your background, education, and personal experience. Include a photo, add a personal touch. That's basically it. Skills and achievements, highlight your skills, notable projects, and any award certifications. And the contact page, contact form. Add a contact form that allows visitors to send you message directly from your site, adding additional informations including your email address, phone number, and links to social media profiles if applicable. Now let's talk about advanced customizations. Interactive features like galleries and slideshows. Use Wix's gallery tools to create engaging displays of work for you, basically. You can choose different layouts such as grid, masonry, or slideshow. Incorporate, especially the lightbox, incorporate light boxes for an enhanced viewing experience. Light boxes allows visitors to click on an image to view it in a larger format without ever having to go and leave the page. Animation and effect, very important as well. Add animations and effects to elements to make your site more dynamic. Use this sparingly to avoid overwhelming visitors. Okay, so add a contract form that allows you to send, allows visitors to send you messages from your site. Include again email address, phone number. So use its gallery tools to create engaging displays of your work. You can choose different layouts such as grid and incorporate light boxes. That's perhaps the most important thing that I could at least I could see. SEO optimizations. So Wix's offer built-in SEO tools to help improve your site visibility. Access these settings from the marketing and SEO tab, by the way. And yep, that's just basically it. So I certainly hope that I've covered a bunch of informations here so that you guys could hopefully incorporate on your layout. So I certainly hope that this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.